Hello everyone, and welcome to Automotive History through Diecast. I pride myself on being an open collector. I open almost everything I get. But these cars I'm going to show you today, some of their value is in the card. So I will not be opening these. I figure we start with some fire. Factory sealed Ferrari 308. Right now any Ferrari is hot. Good investment, but factory sealed makes it even better. And then I have this, another Ferrari California, 2012 factory sealed. A really nice car, convertible. And then I got the Tesla Roadster with the Starman, factory sealed. I guess this car was harder to find to begin with, let alone in factory sealed, so I'm excited to have that. I've been getting a lot of first year cars. I've only been collecting for 2.5, 3 years, and I have so many cars. So I decided I can't get them all. So I needed to come up with something. So I think I'm going to collect first year cars. That way I have an example of it. But I don't have a ton of cases filled. So here's the Porsche 935 Zamac, factory sealed, new for 2021. Here's another Ferrari 430, factory sealed, really nice car. I think Ferraris look best in red. We have another Ferrari 546 factory sealed. Kind of a sparkly blue. Again, anything in Ferrari right now is hot. We have a red edition 62 pickup, or 67 pickup, C10. Red edition factory sealed. And we have this 83 Silverado factory sealed from the art cars. This one's actually a super treasure hunt. The Evolution on a factory sealed 2015. Where is the emblem? I don't see it. Oh, there it is on the hood. Treasure hunt. Here's the Lanza Delta 2021 first edition car. But these first editions, if they're not on the card, it's hard to remember if it's a first edition or if it's not. Here's the Lincoln Continental. They're going to have an RLC coming out with this pretty soon, where those back doors open suicide. That's going to be pretty cool. This one, 82 Nissan R30 from 2018, first edition. I got, I think, 2 Chevelles first edition. I have the blue one. 1999 first edition, convertible, or hardtop I mean. I think the other one's a convertible, I'm not sure. Custom Acura Integra, factory sealed, first edition, 2016. I think Integra, the best color for the Integra is the white. It's definitely sharp. And then, so this is a Celine S7 first edition right there. That's one of my favorite supercars. Celine he also did Mustangs. 1999 first edition Mercedes CLK LM, so the racing version. Really sharp. And then we have this R30 factory sealed 2019. And then we have the Tanner Fox 17 GTR R35 factory sealed. This is a really nice one. GTR 33, new for 2019, purple. That'll go in a protector. This one's unique. This is a Super Tsunami. See first right there. So this is basically a Toyota Supra. But they didn't have the rights to it yet. But if you look at it, it looks a lot like a Supra. New for 2019 Zamac RS5 Coupe, factory sealed. (1990) Acura, new for 2015. That's a nice red with the black top. It's really nice. Staggered wheels, real nice. All right, what else we got? We got 1998 first edition Mach 1. That's real sharp. Then we have new for 2017 Corvette C7 Z06 in yellow with black stripe. You notice a lot of these first years have front and rear decos. That's another reason I'm thinking of collecting just first years, unless it's a car I really like. New for 2018 Skyline R33. So if you look, they have each color, and they put new for. So 2009 new model Datsun 510 Bluebird. Then we have 2017 Honda Civic Type R. First edition 1999 911 GT3 Cup. It's got some really nice graphics on it. And then, like I was saying, here's the other color of the Chevelle. 1970 SS first edition. But yeah, these cars, they kind of need to be in the package to be known they're first edition. 2007 new model Ford Galaxy 500 XL. First edition Ferrari F550 Maranello for 2000. Again, Ferrari's in red. $1999 first edition 360. And then the last one I got is this Ferrari 365 GTB4 for 2000 first edition. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Make a comment. If there's, I don't know, I'm kind of running out of ideas. Is there a car you want me to do a history lesson on, or something in my collection you want to see? Put it in the comments. And I will see you on the next one. Thank you.